Hey Benito, hey Kendra, how are you all? My name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing, and I actually talked to Judy today, and I let her know about this quick video I was sending over with some tips and tricks that you all can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I would appreciate to hear feedback from you about the video. I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you both. Here is your website, as you can see here. Um, Not a lot going on here. I like the photo that you got in the background. Definitely need to add a logo up there. But it's more like kind of like a landing page here. My biggest suggestion would be content. You need more command content because Google loves content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you can be found for in Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another good thing to do is save the photos, because photos and videos are considered keywords as well throughout the content. So right here, it's saved as Bonilla Roofing. That needs to be Lexington, Kentucky roofing. Roofing, Lexington, Kentucky. Something with the service and the city name in there as well. I love how you got the book now up here. I love how you got the click to call and get straight through to your Facebook profile right there. So you're on par with those with as far as ways that people can contact you. Now, what I've done is put your website in the tool called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics that we're going and where you're setting. So this is your UR, and this is your DR. This is the strength and trust your site has with Google. And this is on a scale of 100, and you want to keep these balanced and moving up continuously. Now you got 72 backlinks and 41 referring domains. And implementing these tips and tricks I'm showing you will help boost these numbers and get those up for you. If you're unfamiliar with what a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are more spammy, and then there's some that's more authoritative. So you really want to go after those backlinks that are more authoritative and relevant to the industry that is local to you. As of right now, you have 0 organic keywords that you're being ranked for, and it's driving 0 traffic. So it makes this website more of a digital business card instead of a lead generating asset that's going to help you generate a higher ROI. Now, what I'm going to do here, this is a buyer intent keyword phrase, roofers, Lexington, Kentucky. Now, usually you see up here at the top is the local ads and the Google ads, and that's a good way to get quick business. But once you stop paying for those, you're wiped off this first page. So that's the importance of getting up in this map pack and ranking organically. Now, these 3 locations right here, these 3 businesses are the top 3 in the Google map packs. So they're the ones that people are seeing first. You're not here, and that's fine, because there's several ways to get here. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same across the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. There is a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to fill out, and don't forget the keywords I was telling you about. Put those in there as well. By posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly, it really helps you rank organically. And adding citations, and a citation is a business name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages, Yext, because honestly, Google's like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, or directories, it will make Google start to trust you more, and it will boost your business, not only in your area, but in the surrounding areas as well. Being in the Google Map Pack gives you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and then people will give you a call from there. Now, what we're going to do is go down here to the organics, and this is where 60 to 70% of your business is going to come from. And Bone Dry is the #1 competitor in that area. These are just, this is BBB, Angie's List right here, ads, things like that, directories. So this is the first construction business or roofing business that pops up here on the organics. and it's Bone Dry Roofing. Don't have anything against these guys. They're just number one. I'm using them as an example. Their website's kind of wonky, and as you see, they don't have a lot of content. So if you implement having more content on your site than theirs, you can outrank them while adding the backlinks and such too. Now, looking at a couple of different keywords, I want to show you this. I want to show you the massive volume that you're missing out on. Roofing companies, Lexington, Kentucky, is a keyword difficulty of 5, and that's out of 100. That's very low, easy to rank. 800. Roofing contractors, Lexington, Kentucky, 350. Roofers, Lexington, Kentucky, 300. Roofing, Lexington, Kentucky, 300. They look identical, but roofers and roofing is two completely different phrases. 600 between the two. Roofing repair, Lexington. So there's over 2,000 search volume just by putting these 5 keyword phrases in your content. There's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume will go to your website, and then a percentage of that is going to give you a call, and depending on your close rate, it'll turn into a customer. So I definitely hope that this video helped you out a lot, and you got a lot of insight off of it, Benito and Kendra. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. I can be that resource if needed. Hope you have a wonderful night, and I'd love to hear some feedback from you if possible. Have a great one.